everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Asia, and as you guys could tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to do your makeup like your face but better, aka clean girl makeup, aka natural makeup, your face but better. Because sometimes we don't want to do a full makeup look, we don't want to do a full glam, we just want to enhance our natural features a little bit, and that's exactly what this makeup look is. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this glowy, beautiful, soft makeup look, keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. Got it all. I got it all, girl. But let's just go ahead and get into this. I already started off with doing my brows first. That's like one of the first things I always do. I will show you guys what I used. I used the Got To Be Glued Brow and Edge Gel. I talked about this in my last video, so I'm not gonna get too much into it, but just know the product is good as fuck. I would probably not ever try any other brow gel. This makeup look is very quick for like the days where you just want to do something very minimal, not too crazy. So we're gonna keep this look very natural, and this makeup look is gonna be very hydrating. So I'm gonna start off with using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. They sent me this because I did a partnership with them, and it's literally just so good. I love how it makes my skin feel, and when I put it on, it's just very cooling. It's like the product, it always feels cold. To me, that's just like super relaxing for my skin, and I love the feeling of it. When you're doing a no makeup look, you always want your face to look like very glowy, because why would you want your face to look dry? Today I'm using the Saie Glowy Super Gel. I am so obsessed with this. Look at the shine that this automatically just put on my face. It's literally insane. Honestly, this isn't even the full size. This is the mini one, and this has still lasted me for months because a little goes a long way, and you don't need too much when using this product. That's how good it is. Don't forget to always let your products dry before moving on to the next one. I like to let my primer absorb into my skin so my skin could get ready for these makeup products. The key to a no makeup look, a your face but better makeup look, is spot concealing. We're not going to use no skin tint, we're not going to use any foundation, we're not going to use powder foundation. We are just going to go in with a concealer. I like to use the Wet n Wild color corrector concealer, and using one, try to get as close to your skin tone as possible. And I'm literally only going in and covering the spots that I want to be covered around my nose, because I get a little redness there sometimes. I don't know if you guys could see kind of like a natural contour in my face, so like my skin's a little darker right there, so I like to just even that out. You see that? Yeah. It's under the eyes. Going in with a brush, I'm going to blend this in using tapping motions. It's literally okay if it's not the exact same shade as your skin, because it's gonna all come together by the end of the look. Just try to get as close to your skin tone as possible is what I'm saying. And with my blush before my concealer, so I'm using this e.l.f. cheek tint, and I just like to take my fingers and just rub it in. Beautiful. Do you guys see how good that looks? Love that. And I'm gonna apply some more actually, because your girl got blush blindness, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I love the orange blush that this gives. It's so so pretty. I'm taking the smallest amount of bronzer. Not too much though, not too much. You remember we want to keep this look looking as natural as possible. And also taking the brush and blending in the blush that I just put on. Does that even make sense? That was like a tongue twister. Using the e.l.f. Soft Glam Concealer, this can be very full coverage, so that's all I'm gonna put on. I'm kind of scared to use this one when it comes to natural makeup looks. And doing the same thing as before, I'm blending the concealer with the brush before doing it with my beauty blender. I'm gonna use a pressed powder. I don't like to bake when it comes to natural makeup looks. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Clarifying Finishing Powder. Yes, it broke, but it's so good. I just like to take my powder puff and press down in tapping motions where I just put the concealer at. To set my face, I'm using the Tear Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. This literally just melts everything in place. It's beautiful. While my face is still wet, I'm going to take some liquid highlighter. This is literally a dupe for, oops, the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. I found it on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but honestly, it works just as well. Do y'all see that? Before, after. My highlight on this side always looks a little odd because I have like a scar on my face that I've had for years. I've been loving these two products lately. This is the NYX Duck Plump lip liner. It's a plumping lip liner. Like, I've never heard that before until trying this product. And we have the Edam Lip Balm in the shade, why do I keep dropping stuff? In the shade Boba Bounce. I didn't think these two would go together, but not bad. That is it for today's makeup look. It was very fast, very simple. Literally, I feel like anybody could do this makeup look. I love how natural it looks, and this is just like my everyday look that I do when I'm a little lazy, but I still want to look put together and cute. And I hope you guys enjoy.